Good day, everyone. Welcome to Jane's 101 Talk Show. So, today our topic is all about the technology and its impact on human lives and societies. So, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we communicate, work, and interact with the world around us. In this discussion, we will explore the impact of technology on human lives and societies, focusing on both negative and positive effects it has had on our modern world. From the rise of social media and online communication to advancement in healthcare and education, technology has revolutionized the way we live and connect with each one another. Join us as we examine the complexities of technology's influence, humanity, and the implication it has for our future. As we proceed, I would like to introduce to you my very own talented, intelligent, and amazing person in the universe. Please help me welcome Isaac de la Cruz!
Wow,
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good as beautiful you are right now.
Wow, amazing. So, welcome to Jin's 101 Talk Show. It is your first time to attend this kind of interview.
And first of all, I want to thank you for having me right now. And this is my first time interviewing like this kind of.
So, are you ready for the question and answer portion?
For right now, I'm nervous, but I try my best, and that's all.
So, as a student like you, what is the negative and the positive impact of technology?
So, as a student, the positive impact of social media to those for my experience. So, social media can give knowledge, and so by watching social media platforms, in examples Facebook, uh, they have some information for that, and the YouTube motivational educational purposes, so they can give some knowledge and wisdom to us. While the negative impact of technology, it can give anxiety in our self because of watching negative thoughts of those videos. And there's another like miscommunication and cyberbullying and etc.
So, as a student like you, what is the effect of social media in this modern generation? As you mentioned earlier, the social media.
So as of now, generation, young people uh, are more focused in social media, and hindi na sila kailangan pupunta ng library to get some information. So through social media or technology, like example, cell phones, so they can search it in a Google and in a Chrome, so they can have information communication. To create a PowerPoint presentation, we can access.
So, lastly, what can you say about the young generation who are more focused on social media?
So in this generation, for what I observe, so they must minimize their using social media or technology instead of watching. So they go to in a quiet place like bukid, pupunta sila ng bukid, and in the ocean or island, so makafocus yung kanilang isipan at hindi ma-distract sila sa negative impact ng technology. So, sa ma-advise ko sa mga young people, you must quit social media. And kung hindi naman nakakatulong ito sa inyo, dapat quit nyo na yan. And that's all.
Thank you for your time and effort to make this interview a successful one. Congratulations.
You're welcome, Miss Beautiful. And